This is Ideas English Phonics. Today we are going to read small and capital letters of English language. We are going to say the names and sounds of English letters. This is A in small shape and this is A in capital shape, and the sound is A and name is A. The sound is A and name is A. This is letter B in small shape and this is letter B in capital shape, and the sound is B and the name is B. The sound is B and the name is B. This is letter C in small shape and this is letter C in capital shape, and the sound is K and the name is C. The sound is K and the name is C. This is letter D in small shape and this is letter D in capital shape, and the sound is D and the name is D. The sound is D and the name is D. This is letter E in small shape and this is letter E in capital shape, and the sound is A and the name is E. The sound is A and the name is E. This is letter F in small shape and this is letter F in capital shape, and the sound is F and the name is F. And the sound is F and the name is F. This is letter G in small shape and this is letter G in capital shape. The sound is G and the name is G. The sound is G and the name is G. This is letter H in small shape and this is letter H in capital shape. The sound is H and the name is H. The sound is H and the name is H. This is letter I in small shape and this is letter I in capital shape, and the sound is A and the name is I. The sound is A and the name is I. This is letter J in small shape and this is letter J in capital shape. The sound is J and the name is J. The sound is J and the name is J. This is letter K in small shape and this is letter K in capital shape. The sound is K and the name is K. The sound is K and the name is K. This is letter L in small shape and this is letter L in capital shape, and the sound is L and the name is L. The sound is L and the name is L. This is letter M in small shape and this is letter M in capital shape. The sound is M and the name is M. The sound is M and the name is M. This is letter N in small shape and this is letter N in capital shape, and the sound is N and the name is N. The sound is N and the name is N. This is letter O in small shape and this is letter O in capital shape. The sound is O and the name is O. The sound is O and the name is O. This is letter P in small shape and this is letter P in capital shape, and the sound is P and the name is P. The sound is P and the name is P. This is letter Q in small shape and this is letter Q in capital shape. The sound is Q and the name is Q. The sound is Q and the name is Q. This is letter R in small shape and this is letter R in capital shape. The sound is R and the name is R. The sound is R and the name is R. This is letter S in small shape and this is letter S in capital shape, and the sound is S and the name is S. The sound is S and the name is S. This is letter T in small shape and this is letter T in capital shape. The sound is T and the name is T. The sound is T and the name is T. This is letter U in small shape and this is letter U in capital shape. The sound is A and the name is U. The sound is A and the name is U. This is letter V in small shape and this is letter V in capital shape. The sound is V and the name is V. The sound is V and the name is V. This is letter W in small shape and this is letter W in capital shape. And the sound is W and the name is W. The sound is W and the name is W. This is letter X in small shape and this is letter X in capital shape. And the sound is X and the name is X. The sound is X and the name is X. This is letter Y in small shape and this is letter Y in capital shape. The sound is Y and the name is Y. The sound is Y and the name is Y. This is letter Z in small shape and this is letter Z in capital shape. The sound is Z and the name is Z. The sound is Z and the name is Z.